Welcome to a video by Abron. This is Anthropometric kit. It has a one instrument, one slide caliper, slide fold caliper, and one fat measuring tape. This is a fat measuring tape. You can take out this, and then it comes in the centimeters and it comes in the inches also. What you can do, you can put it around stomach also, and then measure how much it is. You can put it on this arm also. You can push and then push it, so it will give you the value. It gives you the value. It will, you now see it is 7, and if I want to measure the thickness of this area, I can measure it. How much it is? 11 inches is the diameter. I can measure the diameter of the stomach also. It's a long one, big one. It is 1 inch, almost 60 centimeter, 1.5 meter is there. It tells you this one is for the thickness of the skin. I want to check the thickness. How much is the thickness? You can see it has two readings in thickness in inches, and in another reading is there. So I can check up how much is the thickness of the skin at any place. And this one is for measuring this thickness on the stomach. It can check. You can see how fat is measured. You can see how fat is measured, and then there is another one. It is to medium fat, and then another readings. The chart is provided. It tells you how much is the age, what is the age, and what fat measurement readings in millimeters, and what age, learn, ideal, average. Again, body fat measurement in millimeters. There are charts. It tells different charts, different age and thickness. It will tell you, and how to measure. Tips are provided, and there are working parts, and then you can check up the thickness using the caliper also. The plastic caliper is provided. We also have a metallic caliper. This is a very easy to use system, Anthropometer. And please visit the website and send us an email at abron01@gmail.com, and this is a website and WhatsApp number. Visit the website and send us a message. Visit the other videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.